Hi guys, so I'm here for you to teach you how to install the Foxfi key full version for those who have a problem for installing it. Maybe I can help you. So I'll give you some steps. So first step, you should have to install Foxfi at Google Play. So after you install, you open it here. As you can see, it says unlock full version. So the next step is you should have to go to the Aptoid. After you go to the Aptoid and download the Foxfi key. So after that, sorry guys, I don't have any Aptoid application because I erased it. So go to the file manager in SD card and search for Aptoid here. Oh, and search for the Epic AP keys and this one, Foxfi key. So you should have to install it. Okay. So after you install it, you should have to open the app. As you can see, it says checking full version. So so it always says checking full version. So I will give you the step how to make it work. So you should have to close the app, press the home button. After that, go to the airplane mode. So after that, open the Foxfi app. As you can see, okay. Okay, if doesn't work, you should have to repeat the steps. Close the app. Open the Foxfi key. After that, enable the. I should have to disable the airplane mode. Okay, so as you can see, it says full version unlocked. So that's the step, guys. So I hope you like it and good luck. That's all guys, thanks for watching.